Okay, buddy. Guess what we're talking about today? Explosions. No, we're talking about pirates. Learning stuff.
Rizky. Pirates?
No, I'm joking. We're talking about space. Space. What can you tell me about space? What do you know about space?
Space is actually like has like stars. And also there are planets.
What's the difference between a star and a planet?
A planet is like a circle.
Circle.
But one of them has like this and also a ring around it.
Okay, but a planet is a circle. How about a star?
A star is like.
Yeah. Actually, that's just the way that people make a picture of it. All that stuff is just to show that it's bright and it shines. But actually, the star is the same shape as the planet. And what's the biggest star that's close to us?
The sun?
Oh, that is a good answer. The sun. The sun is a star. Okay, so stars and planets are different. Stars are usually much larger and denser than planets. And stars, because they're made of extremely hot gas, they give off radiation and they produce a lot of heat and light, which is different from planets. And usually planets, because they're much smaller, will go in an orbit around a star. What planets can you name that are close to Earth?
Saturn, Jupiter, Neptune.
Hey, what's the biggest one?
Like the thing, like the round thing, like right here.
The round thing right here?
Like the tornado.
Oh, you're talking about that sort of eye in the middle of Jupiter. That's right, and that tornado or that storm has been going on for, they figure, about 300 years. Okay, so there's three forms for stuff. There's solid, like this. There's a liquid, like water. And there's gas, which is like air. And some planets are made of gas, like Jupiter's made of gas, and Saturn. How about something like Neptune? What is it?
It's a solid one.
A solid one.
It's like solid ice. Neptune is actually like a freezing place. It actually can freeze your body.
Freeze your body. So you'd be like an ice cube when you get there.
Yeah.
You know that gravity is two objects always attract each other. And they pull towards each other, the center of two objects. Just like the center of the Earth is always pulling us down. Okay, that's the force of gravity.
What about no gravity?
No gravity, like in space. In space, there's very little gravity, so you float around. Like the moon is attached to the Earth by gravity, and the moon goes around the Earth.
And even the sun.
Goes around, yeah, we go around the sun. Okay, the sun is very big. It's about 1 million times the size of Earth.
What if is it bigger than a big black hole? A black hole is like round and also black.
And what makes a black hole?
Like a killed star.
Killed star is an awesome answer, buddy. Yeah, when a sun is running out of energy, then it collapses and has intense gravity. And nothing can escape from a black hole. because there's so much gravity pulling in.
Space, you cannot even breathe.
Can't breathe. There's no air in space, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Perhaps you'll die.
Probably. Unless you're a what?
Alien?
No, do you remember? You remember we were watching that Star Trek episode?
Yes.
You remember the name of that little creature that's extremely small, which is very, very resilient, and it can take so much radiation and incredibly cold temperatures and incredibly hot temperatures. What's it called?
I don't know.
Oh, you would have got 10 points. Tardigrade.
Tardigrade.
Yeah, tardigrades can possibly live in space for a certain amount of time. Would you want to go to space?
No, because you actually get hit by an asteroid.
You get hit by an asteroid.
Yeah, and you need a spacesuit. But if the spacesuit has a hole, then you actually die.
Yeah.
Then you die.
So you have to make sure you get a spacesuit without a hole before you go to space, right?
That is a very good idea.
Daddy, just want to tell you this, but if an asteroid hits the glass, it has a big hole in it.
It'll make a big hole.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then
So
you cannot breathe.
you just have to watch out for asteroids.
Yeah.
We must have American dominance in space. So important.
What should you do if you're sleeping and you got to do something important? What should you do? But you're sleepy.
Maybe just do the important thing.
And forget about being sleepy?
Yeah.
But you're going to fall asleep.
Maybe go to sleep.
I'll just go to sleep. Forget about the important thing. It's really important. Somebody's their life depends on it. You gotta stay awake. What are you gonna do?
Use these things.
What?
These things like stretch
Use some things to stretch your eyes. Like that. So you can't sleep. Eye stretching things. Can you buy them at the store? Eye stretching things?
You use French fries.
Use French fries, of course. That makes perfect sense.
Yeah.
Stick French fries in your eyes, and then you won't fall asleep. Great. I guess so.